Imagine that you're responsible for the social media marketing for a small company. Unfortunately, one of your company's products has a small defect, and customers have been complaining about this product on social media. If you aren't aware of these posts and don't take steps to address the issue, your company's reputation could be jeopardized. But because you listen to your customers on social media and engage with them to address their concerns, you're able to keep your company's reputation intact. That brings us to the third pillar of social media marketing, listening and engagement. In this section, you'll learn about how to implement social listening, which refers to tracking and analyzing conversations and trends related to your brand. We'll talk about how to listen to your customers and followers on social media and analyze those conversations to gain insights. You'll also learn about some social listening tools that can help you in this process. Then we'll talk about how you can take what you've learned from listening to your customers to increase their engagement with your brand. We'll discuss different ways to communicate with customers and how to respond to different types of communications from them. Taking these interactions further, we'll explore strategies for developing ongoing relationships with your customers. You'll also learn how to write and design engaging content for social media and how to develop your brand voice on different platforms. And we'll explore how to save time and resources by taking your existing content and repurposing it in new ways. Ready to find out how to listen, learn from, and engage your customers on social media? Let's go.